Assalamualaikum, this is Shabana Mansoor, and today we're going to make boneless tandoori chicken. Tandoor basically means a clay pot oven, and the heat is usually generated either with charcoal or with wood fire. But today we're going to make the boneless tandoori chicken without the tandoor and not compromising in its flavors. So with few little ingredients that's available at home, let's get started. The spices you need will be some garam masala, red chili, and coriander, turmeric and salt, and some cayenne pepper, few dry herbs like dry mint and dry fenugreek leaves. If you're interested, you can make your own garam masala with all dry spices, and I ground them into fine powder. Now we're going to take our chicken and we're going to add a tablespoon of cream cheese and 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and we're going to make our dry mix, which consists of red chili powder, turmeric, salt, and coriander powder. Along goes the garam masala powder and 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour. Mix well and keep aside. Now we add the dry herbs, which is mint and dry fenugreek, along with the dry herbs. Mix well. Now to the chicken, let's squeeze in half a lemon juice. Mix the chicken along with lemon juice, cream cheese, and yogurt. To this, we're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly crushed ginger and garlic. You may also use ginger garlic paste that's available in the store, but I would recommend you to just crush the fresh ginger and garlic. We're mixing well with the cream and the yogurt mix. Now we are going to add the dry ingredients that we previously had mixed. This should marinate for good 1 to 2 hours, so all the flavors get incorporated into the chicken. You can either leave it in the refrigerator for a longer time, or at this point you can freeze it and use it for maybe a week or 2 later. And now we're going to build the flavor of the smoke with the charcoal that I had burnt previously in the flame. We're going to add a few drops of clarified butter or ghee. We're going to cover this up and allow it to rest for half an hour before we put it into the refrigerator. We're going to grill it directly on the flame. I skewered few pieces for you just to build the flavors of the open fire for 5 to 6 minutes, and then we put it into the baking tray for 10 minutes into the oven for about 500 degrees Fahrenheit for not more than 10 minutes, so the chicken remains nice and juicy. After 10 minutes, we take the chicken out and it's ready to serve. The chickpea flour helps the marinade to stick on to the chicken and makes the chicken juicy inside. It's ready to serve now with fresh onions, cilantro, and lemon wedge. I hope you like this video. Please share your suggestions and comments and your queries. Thank you for watching me. Assalamu alaikum.